Hello everyone. In today's locomotive profile I'm going to be doing is Denver and Rio Grande Western's triplex locomotive. It was a proposed triplex steam locomotive by Baldwin Locomotive Works for the Denver and Rio Grande Western Railroad. The NRGW triplex locomotive was proposed by Baldwin after they had built the very first three triplexes locomotive for the Erie Railroad in 1914, and they were planning to build this locomotive for the Denver Rio Grande Western Railway. But unfortunately, the Erie triplex had been plagued by design flaws, which limited their use. Like, they ran out of steam for a very short time, and they originally had a small firebox, over 90 square feet, that could not produce steam. It is said you had to wait minutes before they get the boiler pressure back up. But it was eventually rebuilt with a large firebox of 122 square feet, and another one, wheel slip, and their coupler's drawbar could not handle the strain that were pull on them, so they cannot pull trains without breaking their couplings. So they were used to push trains rather than pull them as a banker. But there was another railway. The Virginia Railway had only one, a 2884 triplex, but that was unsuccessful because of the third driver wheels underneath the tender that uses a lot of steam. And here's the reason why it wasn't built. It wasn't built was because of the issue with the Erie's P1s and the Virginian Railways XA, when they couldn't go as fast as their top speed was about 10 to 15 miles per hour. That's their speed. With the Virginian Railways XA reaching 3 to 5 miles per hour, or even as high as 10 miles per hour. So, eventually, they decided to not build the triplex because of their complex mechanical issues. So, I could not find a blueprints of it, but I did find a railroad model of the triplex. It's sort of like, what if the Denver Rio Grande Western actually built this triplex? Looks the same as the Erie triplex, but it would have a different boiler design in the headlights and the tender. Such a shame. Like and subscribe, and see you later, guys.